Hi, I'm Chris Allen. I'm the VP of Business Development for Sparkle, and I'm going to demonstrate some of our apps for you today. So first, let me explain what you're looking at here. This is the standard IBM point of sale, known and loved around the world for 10, 20, 30 years, depending on where you're from. We've put some open source point of sale software on here for the demo. Sparkle does have the enterprise software driver that we could install on this particular point of sale, but in this demo we haven't. For abstraction purposes, to make it very clear what we're doing, we've actually put it on our prototype hardware device. So this is going to be the new world, this is the old world. We have a standard one-line barcode scanner, again known and loved around the world for many, many years, which is the old world, and connected to the new world, an image-based scanner over here. So we're going to scan some stuff in here, which is old world, and then I'll show you what Sparkle can do over here. So let's get some products in the basket. There we go. And now we're going to do some coupons. Let's see what happens, right? So we'll take this coupon here. The point of sale loves it. We'll take this all day. It's a lovely barcode. Great barcode. Can't get enough of it. We're going to do that all day. Let's show Sparkle's barcode and see what happens. Unknown coupon. So what Sparkle's done here is we've taken a look at this barcode, looked in our database of all known live offers in America, and we've said, well, not only is this not a valid offer, but actually it doesn't exist at all. So what this really means is it's purely fraudulent. Somebody's probably downloaded some barcode software off the internet, used a computer and a printer, figured out enough about how barcodes work to be able to build it in such a way that the old world will deduct the price, which is what you saw, it was reducing the price. But actually, this is not a real offer in any sense of the term, so it's pure fraud. This retailer is going to take it all day, which is what they were doing in the old world, but actually not valid at all. So when this goes to get counted, they're going to lose their money, but Sparkle saw that it was unknown. This for a very large retailer, could be about $1 million in loss. So let's try a different coupon. Again, old world loves this coupon. It's going to take this coupon all day, as you see here. Show Sparkle. The coupon, it's expired. So actually not quite fraud, completely valid coupon, built appropriately and funded and all the rest. It just happens to be expired. It's not valid today. Could have been good yesterday. Could have been good weeks ago. Don't really know. But Sparkle's seen it and said that we're not going to do this, whereas old world's going to take it. So what's important to understand is that actually the only real way today that gets learned is the operators read the expiration date. And that can be a problem for some really large retailers from a labor perspective, because it takes a lot of time to read these. To read that expiration date takes effort, and their labor costs are quite high for that. So actually they may even tell them not to read the expiration date. Just process these as quickly as you can, and if we lose a bit of money, that's okay. So it's something that happens today. It's something we could help with very easily, but it's happening in terms of lost money right now. All right, let's try a different one. Again, love it. Great coupon. Going to be taken today all over, no problem. Show Sparkle. Qualifying item not present. So what this is pointing the fact is that these coupons that you've seen here today, they actually don't link to the product. All they really do is tell the point of sale how much to reduce the price of the basket, right? So not linking the product at all. Pepsi coupon, Coke was in the basket. There is no link. This shouldn't be accepted, and yet it was. And just to show a different type of operation here, we can say yes, we can say no, we can give you different prompts if you want. So if I say no, it doesn't go through, or we could literally just cut it out and not let it happen. So it's kind of a customer service configuration that you might want to do there. But yeah, so when this goes to get counted, actually Pepsi is going to lose here because there was no way of auditing that basket. They didn't know that it wasn't in there, so they're going to have to pay for this code. Right, actually, let me clear this out. Just to give us some room, and this is going to be my TV exercise. So we're going to switch to some digital coupons and how we control codes a little bit for retailers or manufacturers if they want. So we'll put a couple TVs in there. There you go. I'm going to go to Sparkle's campaign on the website. We've currently got an offer on this particular TV. It's currently valid, as you can see by the green. What happens here obviously is there can be problems with redemption, problems with over redemption and the rest, but currently this offer is valid. So we scan that at the point of sale. There you go, it shows up. Now what we can do, if for example this was the perfect amount of ROI, ideally we wouldn't want to redeem anymore, I can turn that off. As simple as that. Turn it to something that's no longer available. Go back to that QR code. Now if somebody came along and scanned this, Sparkle's doing is pulling that code out. It's no longer live, it's no longer active, we don't want to do that. Just to show you that this is what I'm saying, we'll turn it green again and go back, and Sparkle can now release this code again if it wants, which is what you've seen, it's now gone back in the basket. Just a very easy example of how we control codes, how we can balance that ROI, and it's an important one because what can happen for a lot of retailers is they can be concerned about over redemption. Too much of a good thing, right? And what happens is they end up insuring against offers. They actually insure money to say that if I get too many redemptions, I need to get my money back. I know of one particular campaign that was insured for $1 million. Using something like this where we can easily control the code, turn it off at the perfect moment, the perfect ROI, means all of the insurance against your offers and against redemption can go away, which is a great thing, really. Save lots of people money there. And lastly, let's clear this down one more time. I want to show you the Sparkles Load to Cart app. So we'll get some standard products back in the basket. Here you go. So what I'm going to do is I've loaded the basket up with some products. What we've done is loaded this particular ID, and it can be a store card, a credit card, debit card, just a loyalty card. We don't really care as long as it's a customer identifier. And what we've done here is we've loaded all the live national CPG offers, those right out of your Sunday newspapers, and we've loaded them to this customer's ID. When I swipe this card, not as payment, but as a loyalty identifier to say I'm here, it will then match up this basket to the relevant offers and inject any offers that are now appropriate for the products that you see right here. So what I'm going to do is swipe this now. There you go. And you'll notice that it just loaded up 3 offers that were relevant and active at this moment for that basket. And it's as simple as that. You swipe it, and there you go, inject it in there. Again, this point of sale doesn't have Sparkle loaded on here in terms of software. Only through the prototype box we're doing that, so everything here is a non-software integration to the point of sale solution. Thank you very much.